Hi, I'm Ian, and welcome to the Draubner Channel. Today we are featuring a POV of a true Magic Kingdom classic, the Swiss Family Treehouse. Greet here at the entrance, a board sets the stage. On this site, July 17th, 1805, the Swiss family Robinson, driven off course by a massive storm while en route to Australia, Pastor William, his wife Elizabeth, and their 4 sons had to rely entirely on their wits to survive. It's weird that the 1960 Disney movie adaptation omitted Jack, hence the board says only 3 sons. Now crossing the wooden suspension bridge now, leaving the modern world behind and stepping right into their tropical island sanctuary. Taking a moment to appreciate the sheer scale of the tree. In the original novel, the father realized they needed to build their home high up in a massive mangrove tree to escape the dangerous jackals that roamed the island at night. Just admiring the lush tropical plants on the left side of the bridge, Disney's Imagineers did an amazing job making you feel totally isolated in the East Indies. Down here we have a great look at Schweitzer Falls and the ingenious water system. William Robinson was incredibly resourceful, engineering this bamboo bucket system, using the river's current to draw fresh water all the way up into the tree's canopy. Looking at the beautiful wooden crest for the Swiss Family Treehouse. It bears the cross of the Swiss flag, a proud reminder of their homeland. Starting up the stairs, prepare your legs. There are 116 steps standing between us and the top. Here are some heavy cannons and cannonballs. In the story, the family spent days stripping their wrecked ship of absolutely everything useful, weapons, tools, and livestock, to defend themselves and build a new life. Reaching the living room and dining space inside the treehouse, Mother Elizabeth worked tirelessly to transform salvaged wreckage into a civilized, comfortable home. Notice the ship's wheel repurposed as a central support. Ah, I found a hidden gem right up here. A barrel of rum tucked away on the top shelf of the living room, most likely salvaged from the ship's cargo hold to keep the adult spirits high. Looking at the beautiful antique pump organ playing the Swiss polka, and back onto the stairs we go. Reaching the master bedroom, complete with a beautiful patterned quilt and sturdy wooden furniture hoisted all the way up from the wreckage. Take a look at this incredible view. Peeking right through the jungle canopy, you can clearly see Cinderella Castle shimmering in the distance. Passing the jungle lookout board here, the family always kept a watchful eye on the horizon, hoping to spot the sails of a passing ship. Going up the stairs again, pushing toward the very highest levels of the canopy. Reaching the Robinson boys' room, you can see the intricately woven hammocks slung up for Fritz, Ernest, and Franz. It's the ultimate childhood fort up here. Starting the stairs descent, taking time to appreciate the high detail views of the incredible bamboo architecture and rope work. We've reached the library. Look at the table set with apples, books, and a map. Education was vital to the Robinsons, ensuring the boys continued their schooling even in the middle of the jungle. Looking directly at the captain's desk, you can spot the heavy ship's log and metal navigational dividers salvaged from the wreck. Heading down the stairs again, making our way back to the jungle floor. Reaching the kitchen and reading the board. This area really highlights how the family adapted to their environment. Looking at the rocky stream and small cascading waterfalls that flow around the base of the massive tree. This is the bottom of Schweitzer Falls, providing the fresh water for that massive wheel we saw at the start. Overlooking the Jungle Cruise entrance from our vantage point, you can almost hear the skippers telling their terrible jokes from here. Here's a fantastic detail: an open, weathered wooden treasure chest overflowing with shiny gold coins, sitting among the lush tropical ferns and leaves. In the lore of the Swiss family Robinson, they salvaged this chest of wealth from the wreckage of their ship, the Swallow, only to realize that money was completely useless for their survival on the deserted island. So, there it is, the story of the Swiss family Robinson treehouse. A good iron axe was worth more than all the gold in the world. Thank you for being part of this Swiss Family Treehouse POV, truly a Disney classic. Please check out the rest of the channel for more Disney content. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you on the next one.